traders, in this video I will be telling you about 5 trading mistakes which majority of the traders does. So guys, before starting the video, if you want VIP signals for free, then you can join my Telegram community, which is absolutely for free. You'll find the link in the description. Also, if you do not have the trading account, then you will find the best trading broker in the description. So let's start with today's video. Number 1 is entering without confirmation. When you enter without confirmation and suppose your trade hits the stop loss, it seriously affects your psychology, which eventually leads to revenge trading. Even you might have experienced this the same. Second is trading against the trend. Always remember, trend is your friend. So trading against the trend can seriously affect your account. Number 3 is using too many indicators. Remember guys, if when you use too many indicators, when your chart is full of indicators, you are unable to analyze the structure. So remember guys, in trading, you cannot trade using indicators. It's just for confirmation, it's just to analyze the market. But if you use too many indicators, it will definitely gonna affect your strategies, your structure of market, your analysis and all. Ignoring higher time frame. This is the most common mistake that traders does. You cannot ignore the higher time frame because eventually you have to go with the market structure. Market make a huge variety of structure. You cannot ignore. You have to use multiple time frame. Suppose if you're trading in 15 minutes, then you have to analyze in 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour or 1 day, because each higher time frame contains different types of analysis. So you have to analyze all the market structure, all the time frames, then you have to execute a trade. Fifth and the last mistake is overconfidence with your strategies. Guys, never be overconfident with your strategies and always remember to stick with one strategy. You do not have to change different strategy. Yes, of course you can test it, you can back test it, but you cannot execute it in your real account. Okay, so remember all these 5 mistakes, avoid all these mistakes to become a successful trader. And if you want videos related to any other topic, then you can definitely comment in the comment box. So thank you guys for watching my video till end. See you in the next video.